Look, it's the big cucumber there. Danielle.
Why do we all talk?
What's the Danielle say tonight?